can't see. See a little bit. Hello. Is anybody out here with us? You need any help? Froggy. Are you all skitsed out about ticks?
No.
You. So this is the creek bed. Hi, Zhang. How are you, babe? There's a lot of bugs, so you guys are gonna see stuff. Hi, Robert. You're gonna see a lot of things like flowing. You know, it's nothing. It's bugs. A lot of bugs. So far we've had a very, very interesting night. I will share the audio. We were at Little Round Top. I've been hearing stuff, disembodied stuff all weekend, which is awesome. And I also got it on the recorder. You can hear me say, I heard this, I heard that, I heard this, I heard that. And it's on the recorder. We went to Culp's Hill. We were going to go investigate Culp's Hill, but it was 10 o'clock. We had to be out of the park. So, but we sat in my car for a minute and we legit heard like what sounded like cannon fire. It's not thundering. There's no fireworks. It sounds like cannon fire. Also caught on the recorder, which is cool. And now we were at the creek bed. The creek bed is where I came in 2007 and had my first paranormal experience. No, it was like 2008. I had my first paranormal experience here, and that was even before I was involved in that. So yeah, it's been an interesting night. It's been an awesome weekend. Lots of activity. But it was bike week, and I'm gonna tell you something. The energy in the air was awesome. You could just feel it. It felt like it was just full of just life, and just so it doesn't surprise me that we've had, because of how pumped the entire town was. I mean, there's so many people here. So we've had a great night. So like right now we're back behind the creek bed. We're at the creek bed. Behind Steinwire Ave. And we are gonna do, I don't know, are you guys doing an EVP session? Oh, okay. Hey, Meg. Hey, Adriana. So when I came here the first time, I had a personal experience, but was also got an EVP. Somebody asked if, do you like her? Talking about me. And the EVP said, I love her. And then I asked if they needed any help or if they were okay. And I heard cold and wet on the recorder. That's a frog. Or a toad, or whatever the big things are. Toads? Hello. My name is Taryn. I got my friends Matt and Al with me. Matt and Al from Tennessee. Are you from the South?
I thought I heard, you want to help me or can you help me? We'll find out exactly where it is. Yes, it's right there.
Do you need help?
Really close.
I'm a nurse. I can help you.
Right before that one. Here, the frog, and then the frog. Right to the frog. Right here. Oh, did she? Okay.
I just said it right now.
No, this is on here. I'll listen to like earlier. Oh, was that the fourth?
Do you need help getting out of the water?
Do you want to help me?
Those frogs are loud.
Yeah, there's something there for sure.
What'd you hear?
It might be you. Did you walk over and say something when I first started recording?
I was talking to Facebook.
No, this was like, do you want to help me, or did you say something about help when we first started?
Do you need? You said you need help.
Did you say, do you need help over there earlier?
Over there?
Yeah, when we were first standing over there, before you said, "I'm
Let me-
freaked out about the
Yeah,
bugs."
she can. I can hear
Let me
her
hear.
talking in the back.
This is not that. She hadn't started the live yet. Let me get back to where it is.
Let me hear it.
Let me find it real quick.
Because I don't know. I would have to go back and...
Shit, I think we just missed it again. Hang on.
Because I was talking, but I don't...
Are you still live?
Uh-huh.
Okay. I think I'm gonna do one too.
Yeah, that was me.
Okay.
That was me.
Okay. Thank you.
That was me.
Because I hadn't heard you until that one sentence.
Yeah, I walked over here and I said, do you need help?
Oh, okay, good.
Because
Good deal.
that's what helped me earlier. Or before. Yeah, I got to put the flash on because we really can't see anything. What? What are you talking about?
So we're at the creek bed. Hi, Robert. Downtown Gettysburg. I think those got a few soldiers in the street there.
Oh, police are here.
What?
They're gonna give us shit.
I have no idea.
Are we not allowed to be back here?
I have no idea. I didn't know.
Hello.
Nothing.
Doing a little EVP ghost stuff. We not. No, we just got back here about 20, 30 minutes ago, man.
Actually, I can tell
It
you.
ain't been that long.
Yeah, because I've been live on Facebook, so I can tell you how long I've been on here.
Okay, I'm looking for a guy dressed in all black with black sneakers and white soles.
Let me